be good.
I don't trust this psycho.
Roy! Roy, open up! Open the door, you twat! Roy!
What's going on?
Well, it appears my associate on the other side of this door is either passed out drunk or deceased.
We'll check it out.
Stay on the radio. Shh. Keep the noise down. We ain't alone.
Stevie, we got a gate here.
Ah, yeah. Now, we rigged those up so the Zeke couldn't stumble in. There's multiple switches to open them. Some of them are on timers. Have fun.
Damn. Check around for the switch. Hurry, hit the next switch. Switch is done.
Come on, give me something. This'll do. It's on, bitches!
Reloading!
Got another gate in here. Keep your eyes open for a switch.
Coming up. Close by.
Hurry, hit the next switch.
I see a creeper! Somebody kill this thing! Thanks.
Hurry, hit the next switch.
Hey, I'm reloading!
Stevie, tell me there are no more gates.
Only the pearly ones, boss.
Let's do this.
Did you guys catch up with Roy yet? Ginger fella, about 5'7". He owes me money.
Yeah!
Not a good time, Stevie.
We got everybody moving forward. Reloading.
No roof. Man, this is bad.
Stevie, we're in some main room with tracks.
Oh, my little hatchlings have reached the sea! There are 2 control rooms here. Use the one on the right.
Oh, you were all mine. Let's see what we got.
Everybody get some?
Robotic death machine, baby. This'll help keep them back. Auto turrets ready for action.
Door sliding open. Noise is gonna bring them in.
Oh, bugger, look at that! I can't get the engine running. Oh, I guess you'll have to fight them without me.
They stopped. For now. Swarm coming in! Oh, yeah!
They're climbing!
There's enough for everybody.
Throwing
Reloading.
some fire! Yeah! Uh-huh! Who's next? Oh, yeah! Racking them up!
I'm reloading.
Here they come! I see the screamer! All right. Oh, let go! Thanks.
They're climbing!
Reloading.
job. Mine is to drive the train. Yours is to push buttons.
Let's try the vent system.
Keep it down.
That big vent looks like our only option. Let's move.
We got a fan in the way. What about the switch?
All right, let's go.
Weirdest subway station I ever saw.
Where are you hiding, creeper?
Got the creeper!
Watch it. Toxic gas down below. That pipe should hold our weight.
Come on, give me something. You are all mine.
Usually I'd say stay off the pipe, but this is the only way out.
Hold your breath.
Gotta find a way to air it out down there. I see another fan